Hi guys, it's Ms. Conley. One of your assignments for week 6 of distance learning is going to be to catch up on any missing assignments. So for the last week, I've worked really hard to make sure that Focus and Google Classroom match up perfectly. So anything that you are missing is marked with the letter Z in Focus, because that means it's missing, you haven't turned it in, whatever the case is. And I've made sure that those assignments also show up on the Google Classroom as missing for you. I've also gone through and deleted assignments from the Google Classroom that are, extra credit or not. I'm excused you from them. They're not important. So I've tried to make sure that everything matches perfectly for you. So I'm going to show you how to find your missing assignments in the easiest way other than scrolling through the entire classwork section. So as you know, I'm signed in for this as Kimmy. So once again, Kimmy, thank you for letting me use your account. Here's our math classroom. She's in my 3-4. So always, we're going to click on the classwork tab. Now all of the assignments are there, and you can see gray means done and blue means not done. But that's a lot to scroll through, especially since some of those assignments are not necessarily important. So what I'm recommending you do is click right here where it says view your work. And that gives you one listing. And here you can see your grades on all the assignments that we've done so far that I've graded. And if it's just a turn-in assignment, that check mark means it's done. Those are our ungraded attendance check-ins. And then right here, you're gonna look for the red missing. If it's red missing, that means it's a Z in Focus, which averages as a 0. So take care of those red missing assignments and your grade's gonna just skyrocket. So the purpose of this is week 6, your #1 job is to catch up on work. So Kimmy did a great job. She's only missing one assignment. So she's got an easy week. She's gonna come in, she's gonna do that one assignment. She's gonna make sure that when she clicks view details, it's gonna take her to an assignment. Once she does whatever is over here to do, then she'll mark as done, and I'll be able to go in, check it, update her grade, and we'll be perfect. So again, how did I do that? How did I find my assignments? I clicked on classwork, I clicked on view your work, and I looked for the red missing. Right from this screen, you can click on the assignment, click view details, and go straight to the assignment to get it done. We will have Zooms open during the week for you to contact us to get help on your assignments. We put as many videos as possible to help you with everything, and I removed any assignments that just were not necessary. So anything that you might have missed but isn't necessary, don't worry about it. All of these weekly check-ins, if you're missing it, no big deal. Move on with life. Don't worry about it. Okay, so hopefully this helps us get caught up, and we'll try to do this every couple weeks to make sure that we're on. But anytime you finish, this is for any class. You can go into any class and see what you're missing. Okay, you can also, if you click on these 3 lines and then click to do, you can also look for work that might have upcoming dates. Now, this has a lot that are old, so I wouldn't use that too much, but you can narrow it down and see, okay, what do I have to do in peer counseling? And you can look and see what's going on in that class. That's an easy way to do it, okay? So again, for math, you're looking in your work, and this is another place where you can see your missing stuff. All right, so if you have any questions, email, text, call us. We miss your faces so much. Hopefully you're doing well and you're going to be all ready for 7th grade.